If I'm being on quarantine, I'm gonna make it look good, okay? Like, if I'm being on quarantine, I'm gonna make it look good. You feel me? Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabine, if you're new here. And from the title, you guys probably already know what's about to go down. I'm about to get a transformation from my sister, by my sister. This is my very first time installing Microlinks. My sister is a hairstylist and she will be doing my hair today, like every other day or time or whatever. Her information will be in my description box down below. Alright guys, so I'm about to show you what I'm looking like under this scarf. Disclaimer, this is you know what, let me just show y'all what's going on under here.
What is that? Oh shit.
So this is my hair right now. This is how it looks. It's dirty. I just took my braids out, haven't washed it yet. We're about to wash it. And she's gonna touch up my color. Stay tuned to watch this transformation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification so you know when I post. Let's get into the video. That's the name of her salon, her brand. I'm gonna put everything in the description box.
Haze on the track. Haze on the track.
is that? Who is this? Okay guys, this is the finished look, hair and makeup by my sister. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down. Like, I can't stop playing with it. Like, I'm in love with my hair. I could put it in a ponytail. Put it in a ponytail. I could put it in a bun. I mean, it was supposed to be a little higher than that, but you know, I don't know. Okay, there we go. Something like that. I could put it in a bun. Okay, guys. So y'all should let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want a 3-week maintenance / update on my hair. I am feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. If you can't tell, I'm feeling myself. And y'all may be asking, like, Sabine, where are you going? Nowhere's open, okay? We're supposed to be at home, still on quarantine. Where are you going? You got your nails did, your hair did. Where are you going? Where are you going, sis? And to answer your question, absolutely nowhere. Okay guys, that's the ending of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification, okay? I think I said that before, but I'm gonna say it again, so you know when I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.